To be back in Pakistan. This is my second visit in just 2 weeks. Following the ministerial delegation that was led by the Foreign Minister of Saudi Arabia, His Highness Prince Faisal bin Farhan, on an official visit to Pakistan last month. Today's visit underlines the importance of the themes discussed during the last visit. You visited with us last week in Saudi following the Prime Minister's visit to His Royal Highness, and us being here today shows the urgency and the action that we're taking to address those themes. Pakistan is a major strategic partner for Saudi Arabia. Our partnership, our timeless friendship, is firmly rooted in our common values, mutual trust, shared religious beliefs, and cultural backgrounds. Saudi Arabia is also delighted to be home to more than 2 million Pakistanis. I said this yesterday, hardly you can find any Saudi who hasn't seen a Pakistani doctor or were taught by a Pakistani professor. Many of the Pakistanis in Saudi Arabia have contributed significantly to our Vision 2030. It is thanks to Vision 2030 that the Kingdom is undergoing the most comprehensive transformation in our history. And to the Saudi government and Saudi companies, Pakistan is considered a high priority economic investment and business opportunity. We believe in the great potential of Pakistan's economy, demographic and talent, as well as location and natural resources. That is why we are so grateful for the kind invitation from the government of Pakistan. As well as the many important and influential leaders from globally renowned Saudi companies and the Saudi investor landscape who have joined us in this visit. Thank you all very much for joining this delegation. Today we want to connect you all, as our Saudi companies have success stories to share. Those Saudi companies would desire to continue building their international presence, for Saudi Arabia's ambitions do not stop at our borders. And we would like to see Pakistan as one of our leading international partners. In fact, we firmly believe our journey is one that does not only affect us, it is one that we hope can bring benefits and opportunities to our partners across the world. This is also why we play an important role in providing development financing through the Saudi Fund for Development, for example. But our support goes beyond development finance. And all of the tools available to us, we know the most powerful tool is commercial investments, which can act as a catalyst funding for other key initiatives. And Saudi Arabia has long been a significant exporter of capital, including through the investments of our leading companies and our sovereign wealth fund. The numerous companies that are here with us can bring with them a strong, proven set of capabilities and track record. They can help you grow bigger, faster and become more profitable to achieve the vision that you have laid before us. So this gathering provides a wonderful opportunity for them to develop a deeper understanding of the great opportunities available for investment in Pakistan and to learn about related regulations, requirements, and incentives. Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, dear friends, I am certain that Saudi Arabia and Pakistan across both public and private sectors can take our partnership to the next level. And by enhancing our current efforts, we certainly will. Now, before I conclude, and on behalf of our delegation, I wish to convey once again our sincere appreciation to the government of Pakistan for receiving us such a warm welcome and receive. We really appreciate that. And with that, I thank you all very much for your attention, and we look forward for a fruitful day and hopefully more visits to come. Thank you all very much.